Good morning, YouTube. Joey and I are going to work on a job this morning here in western North Carolina. It's about 20, it's warmed up. Now it's about 30 degrees. It's about 23 this morning. We're going to work on a job. A fella's got a shed that the posts have started to rot and need to be replaced. So we're going to work on it and try to get it a temporary fix so that we can come back later and do a permanent fix when it warms up. But should be fun. Look at this shed, look at this carport, and see how we can fix it. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, he got a nice pond down here. Beautiful little area. Beautiful homestead here. Several outbuildings. This gentleman almost knocked this building down with his dump truck, or not his dump truck, but with his bulldozer. Almost knocked that one down. That's another one we're going to have to work on for him.
He backed into it.
Backed into it with his bulldozer. And here is his, here's his shed. It's starting to sink a little bit on one side. But we're going to see if we can't, see what we can do to shore it up so it won't fall in. All right, here's our dilemma. These posts are rotten down in the ground. Been here about 20 years. And you can see the building's starting to dip right here. This 12 inches of snow we had, 13, 14 inches of snow we had back in December, I think put a load on it, made it sink in the ground. So these two right here really need some support. We dug out and stuck a knife in there and they're rotten. But we're going to put up some temporary posts for today. Yep. See, it's rotted completely off. All right, we got this one ready, got it formed. It's about 22 inches deep, about 14 inches square. We're gonna put angle iron right here, down in on each side, and then concrete into the angle iron will go into the concrete. So, Joey's digging the next one. And then we probably got at least 4, probably 8 more to go. All right, we've had a successful day. We put in these temporary posts. We cut the bottom off of these rotten posts. We built some forms. We are ready to pour concrete in these 2 holes. And we got our post, temporary post up. We got temporary post over here. but we need to dig these 4 posts out. and get them ready for concrete. So we still got work to do. All right, we're making progress. Got the other side. We've got it dug out. We don't have it formed yet. We're going to have to bring some plywood to form this one up. But we got this one dug out. It's about 23 inches deep, 22, 23, and we got it formed up, ready to pour. And we got this one dug out, formed up, ready to pour. The last one down here, we got it dug out, but we're going to have to cut some of these roots out. Our saws run out of battery, so we got some work to do on this. But they were definitely rotten. We just got a toenail there so it won't sway back and forth for today, but we're going to come back and finish up forming. And then we're going to put some angle iron on these corners and stick the angle iron down into the concrete and bolt the angle iron to these posts. And it should not go anywhere. So we're going to continue on.